Post-war, Iran must mitigate the weight of its opposition through suave diplomacy and mending fences with its neighbors. The combined opposition to Iran will remain watchful and wary of any attempt by it to pursue and acquire threatening proportions of capability, nuclear or conventional. What Iran needs is time off from this repeated aggression. It must pursue strategic peace. Iran is bruised and bleeding, but still standing. Israel is peripherally disturbed. Its core strength remains viable and in place. The state remains robust, and any U.S. administration will be its underlying strength. The U.S. has only been marginally affected. It will stock up its used inventory and be ready to follow up on its global agenda, whether to our liking or otherwise. To listen complete column, click on our YouTube channel, Writers Voices 26, and also comment in the comments section.